Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. We are still on mathematics of finance. And we are talking about multi-period compounding. So by now we know what compounding is, any interest on interest. So where compounding takes place at interval of less than 1 year. Where compounding takes place at interval of less than 1 year, the future value of the amount can be calculated as A is equal to P, open a bracket, 1 plus R divided by M, close the bracket, raised to power M, N, and then times N. Okay, where M is equal to number of times compounding takes place in a year. You know, I said that where compounding takes place at interval of less than 1 year. At this, the period in which they do the compounding is less than 1 year. Okay, this is the formula to use. So, at this in a year, you can be doing the compounding, let's say, quarterly, monthly, or as the case may be. Okay. Now, also, interest can be on a continuous or on daily basis. Interest can also be on a continuous or daily basis. Where you can find this most is the banking institution, the bank. Because the interest you are saying is you are paying your interest, or you are giving interest is compounded daily. So if you go to a particular bank today, you seek for loan and give you the loan. If the loan is the interest is calculated on on a reduced balance basis, it means immediately if you pay particular money today now, they will calculate the interest based on on the balance that you are having with them. Okay, so if compounding takes place on a daily basis, so what will now be the future value of or you place the money? It's not always that you borrow money. You may also do put money in your account, in which is any interest on a daily basis. So what will now be the future value of your money? In this scenario, we are looking at ourselves as an investor, in which we have put our money in the bank, in which we are talking about financial management. So everything we're talking about here is everything that will be to your own benefit. Anyway, so if you are receiving interest on a daily basis, this is what the future value will be. A is equal to principal, P is principal, times exponential. Use the exponential, the value of exponential, use the figure here. Use for R and N, R multiplied by N, where R is the rate and N is the number of years in which you place your money in the bank. Okay, having said this, let's now look at a question that we intend to do that we are going to practicalize this with. Okay, so let's look at the question where you are going to practicalize what we'll be talking about. Okay, you have the formulas now. We rub it off. And let's take question. Let's take question. Let's say Barker PLC. Has $100,000, as the case may be, $100,000 to invest for a period of 10 years, and it has the following following opportunities from different banks. So A, Bank A, FA Deutsche Bank, Deutsche Bank offers offers 10% interest, 10% interest per annum, and interest is compounded quarterly. B, compounded quarterly. B, Sky Bank offers 10% interest. 10% interest per annum, and interest is compounded monthly. C, People's Bank offers 10% interest per annum with a promise to compound interest daily. Advice Backup PLC. To advise Backup PLC. Okay. So these are the three scenarios in which we have. So solution now. A. Don't forget, if you are solving the question, let your solution start from the name, from the title of the question, please. From the title of the question. So which bank is offering it? So Deutsche Bank rather. So what are we going to do now? In this case, so Deutsche Bank offers 10% interest per annum, and interest is compounded quarterly. So what is the formula? The formula we have. What is the formula to use there? We said, and it's compounded quarterly. So the future value, what will now be the value of this money at the end of the period, which is 10 years. You have a period of 10 years. So what will now be the future value? Now be what? That was our formula P, open a bracket, 1 plus I all over N, close the bracket, MN. Yes, that's the formula we gave out. Okay? So A now is our future value is equal to what is our principal? The principal is $100. 100. So one is constant plus R. What is our R rate? That is 10%. 0.1 all over. What do we define M to be? We said M is what number of time compounding takes place in a year. So what is it? About quarterly. What is like quarterly? In a year, quarter, that's 4. 4. I'm going to close yours. M 4 times number of words, N number of years, that's 10. So A is equal to 100. So 1 plus 0.1 divided by 4. One 4 divided by 4. 0.025. This is about 40. This is about 40. So the answer will be, we are going to have, you now have what? 268, 506 dollars. So that is the solution for that. That is the solution for that. Okay. Now let's look at the second one. Option B. Option B. Option B. Let's look at option B. Which bank is that? We have Sky. So Sky Bank offers 10% interest per annum and interest compounded monthly. So our A still remains equal to P 1 plus R over M close it MN. Okay? Alright, where A is equal to 100, 1 plus R, what's our rate? Sky is also over 10%, 0.1. Lying on what? How many times? Number of times compounding takes place in a year. Monthly, that's 12. Close it, that's 12 times what? 10. Okay, so is equal to 100,000. 1 plus what is it? 1 divided by 0.1. 0.1 divided by 12. What do you have? 0.008. 833. 0.1 divided by 12. 0.0083. 0.00833333. One another like that. This is by 120. So at the end of the day, you have your rate to be what? 100. This one of 1.0883. 100. 120. At the end of the day, you press the calculator. The answer you are going to have will be 269,632. 269,632. 269,632 dollars. Okay. Now, let's now look at the third option, which is available to Barker. Third option available to Barker. Option 3. What bank is that? People's Bank. See, People's Bank. People's Bank. So People's Bank offers 10% interest per annum with the promise to compound interest daily. So what is the formula we give to us for compounding interest on a daily basis? On a daily basis, we said A is equal to A is equal to P times exponential Rn. P times exponential R, exponential is to the power Rn, R times n. So our A will be equals to what is our P? Still remaining 100 as what we invested, the principal, times exponential. What's the exponential rate? The exponential rate on our calculator will give us 2.71828. 2.71828. Okay? So it shows us how to press our calculator to get this exponential. This is our R. What's our R? 0.1. 0.1, 10% as well, right? 10%, 0.1 times number of years, that's 10. So, is equal to 100,000 times 0.1 times 10, that is 1. That is 2.71828. Which now give us what? What is it going to have? How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 271,828. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it was 271,828. Okay, in dollar anyway. Dollar. Okay, so that's what we have. Now we have to advise Barker. What the governor says, advise Barker PLC. That is, which alternative should they go for? Which of the banks should they invest his money? And this definitely let's look at the three options available. Let's now look at the three options side by side in order for us to do what to advise Barker. So summary. Bank. We have the banks. Let's say summary, so value. Okay, banks and value. Crucial value. Okay, so the first bank, Deutsche Bank, what is the crucial value for Deutsche Bank? We have it to be 268,506. 268,506. Sky. This guy. Sky. What value did we get? We did around about under Sky. With around 269,632. 269,632. In dollars anyway. So the first bank, say People's Bank. We have a bank there. So People's Bank gave us what? 271,828. So here now we can give advice. We can advise Barker PLC which bank we should invest his money in. Which of the banks we should invest his money in? Obviously, this is the bank that will maximize his return. So therefore, Barker should invest its money, our money in People's Bank. Because it gave the highest return, highest future value, highest future value, highest future value. So this is it. So as financial managers, as an entrepreneur, you can see, and even for those who are not financial managers, at least as entrepreneurs, you can tend to do what to appraise anything you want to do or you want to embark upon yourself. That's what we are talking about under financial management. You can see all these things are very, very relevant in our day-to-day activity as a business person. You can tend to do what to appraise your investment before you do what to any investment, any opportunity you want to invest on. You appraise it properly before embarking on it. From there, you need to do what to make the right decision. You can see now that People's Bank will give the highest return, highest future value. So I will urge you to do what every one of us watching this video to imbibe all these things and practicalize it, because they are very practicable. So thank you, and subsequently we are still on Mathematics of Finance. We shall be looking at what discounting, annuity, and all other words financial mathematics where we have it. So by this we come to the end of today's class. As I've said, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and share the video and give it a thumb up. Let me know in the comments, put it in the comment in the comment, and I'll be glad to do what to attempt to any comment you put there. Till we meet next time, I'll say have a wonderful day and what to have a wonderful investment. Of course. So till we meet next time, have a nice time. Thank you and God bless.